Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix error code 529 in Roblox. To get started, simply search for date and time settings and open it. From here, make sure the date, time and time zone all are correct on your system. Once you set it, simply synchronize it from here. In the next step, open your browser and search for Roblox server status and go to this web page. From here, just check out that whether everything is operational or not. However, if you still get the error, then wait for some time and log into your Roblox account and see if you still get the error or not. In the next step, log out from your Roblox account. Once done, search for %local app data percentage and you'll get a folder. Simply open it. From here, find the Roblox folder. Here you'll get a folder local storage. Simply select and delete this folder. Now close everything, log in back to your Roblox account and see if you get the error or not. In the next step, open your browser, click on these three dots, then go to extensions, then click on manage extensions. If you are using any ad blocker, simply disable it and see whether you get the error or not. Lastly, you can try this. Open your browser and search for Flizian Roblox. You'll get a web page of GitHub. Simply enter that web page. Now under releases, click on latest. Scroll down the page and from here download the latest version of Flizian. You don't have to do anything, just download the file, install it and let it run in the system tray and you can easily use Roblox without any error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.